This is a used 2010 Volkswagen Jetta. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.5-liter engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a sunroof, electric trunk, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, a satellite radio, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, a premium sound system, aluminum rims, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control.
Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider.
Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Sayville Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 5686 Sunrise Highway, Sayville, New York 11782.